What if you could have a truck that tows like a beast, climbs like a Jeep, and feels like a luxury SUV inside? This might be it. The 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 HD AT4X AEV, possibly the most luxurious heavy-duty off-road truck ever built. But is it really worth the price tag? Let's break it down. Exterior, built like a tank. This isn't your average chrome-heavy work truck. The AT4X AEV edition adds serious hardware from American Expedition vehicles. Stamped steel front and rear bumpers, integrated recovery points, heavy-duty skid plates, 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires, unique AEV badging. The stance? Massive. The presence? Intimidating. This truck doesn't just look ready for the apocalypse, it's engineered for it. Powertrain, heavy-duty muscle. Under the hood, expect proven heavy-duty options. 6.6-liter gas V8, around 401 HP. Available 6.6-liter Duramax Turbo V8, around 770 HP and 975 pound-feet of torque. Paired to a 10-speed Allison automatic. This isn't about drag racing, it's about towing 20,000-plus pounds with confidence while cruising in total comfort. Massive torque, effortless highway pulls, serious trail authority. Suspension and off-road tech. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike standard HD trucks, the AT4X AEV features Multimatic DSSV spool valve dampers, factory lift, front and rear electronic locking differentials, off-road calibrated traction modes, underbody protection. This setup allows the truck to crawl over rocks, then tow a trailer home without feeling like a compromise. Interior, where luxury surprises you. Step inside and it feels nothing like a rugged off-road machine. Full-grain leather seating, massaging front seats, 13.4-inch infotainment display, 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, premium Bose sound system, real wood trim. It's quiet, it's refined, it's shockingly upscale. You could drive this to a construction site or valet it at a 5-star hotel. Luxury versus capability. Here's the big question. Is this the world's most luxurious heavy-duty truck? Compared to something like the Ford F-250 Super Duty Tremor or even high-end Ram HD trims, the Sierra AT4X AEV blends three worlds: extreme off-road credibility, heavy-duty towing power, premium luxury SUV comfort. It doesn't force you to choose. Price and positioning. Now, let's talk reality. Expect pricing well into the $90,000 plus range when fully loaded. That puts it in serious territory, but also in rare air, because very few trucks can tow like a workhorse, crawl like a dedicated off-roader, ride like a luxury SUV, all in one package. Final verdict. The 2026 GMC Sierra AT4X AEV isn't trying to be the fastest, it isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to be unstoppable, without sacrificing comfort. And honestly, it might be the ultimate do-it-all heavy-duty truck on the planet. Luxury meets overlanding, power meets precision, capability meets comfort. So, is this the world's most luxurious heavy-duty truck? You tell me.